Welcome to a short presentation on how we can implement an estimation functionality using ERP Next. So what we see in the photo is a stage, and typically in a fabrication industry to construct this, MDF is used, and once the MDF structure is done, either we have a vinyl or a carpet finish, and there are accessories that are involved in putting up these stage. So we have designed an approach using ERP Next where we have created a product bundle, and the bundle has all the individual items such as MDF, such as paint, such as carpet, etc., which both from uh, the raw material and the activity point of view are costed. And since we have bundled in the estimation, we pull the bundle and calculate the rate about the varying parameter length, breadth, and height of the MDF stage. The next aspect we are going to see is how we can estimate a 3D signage. In 3D signage, there is a base frame involved, and the letters are made out of acrylic, and then there are LEDs and electrical fittings inside this. So we will account into that every aspect of the raw material, the process, and the task involved into this. So as we see in the screen, we are going to add an item into the estimation. So basically, we create a doc type estimation, and we are now going to pull an product bundle. The product bundle is corresponding to that of an MDF stage, and we direct the MDF software to suggest that this is of estimation type MDF. Then we go ahead to provide the length, width, and height parameters. And we pull out the packed item, which consists of an MDF, the water paints, the carpets, and the MDF tape and other accessories. So this way we can bundle all the sub items that are involved, and we can do the estimation based on the varying dimension. The next aspect in the estimation is that of items that use a square meter calculation. That is, we take an MDF board or we take an aluminum sheet, and then we try and fix it on the um, frame, and then we give the width and length, and we do a per square meter fixed cost, and then based on that we estimate the cost involved in the material. Then we have the category of LEDs, which are used in the system, and they are normally calculated on running meter. Here we see the estimator mentioning that you require 70 running meter of LED. So that works out to be about 440. Then there are items within the system that are calculated on unit cost. Say, for example, we have the transformers that are used to uh, provide the power supply, and then we pick the item, and then direct the estimation software. That is it is a unit rate estimation. Then based upon the configured value and based on the quantity, the total value of the required transformers in the system is calculated. So this overall provides all the different material aspect. Then we have also developed a feature to do the total calculation of all the material that is involved. So this gives a very precise summary of how we can pick all the individual items that are used in the fabrication, and then how based on the dimensions and based on the unit area of measurement, we can calculate the overall material requirement for the estimation. So other aspect to support this estimation process is, apart from the raw material that is required, we also require a lot of process in the system. Like we might use a CNC machine, we might use a water jet for cutting. And then we basically provide all the standard rates for operation. So these are different workstations that are used in the custom manufacturing. And then for the usage of that, we can estimate a standard rate. And depending upon the work specific estimation can also be provided. And similarly, we can also calculate the total processing of all the different processes that are involved. We also have the different tasks involved in the estimation, maybe like an LED fixtures, application of vinyl, can all be this different task. So we pull all the tasks that are required to complete the work, and we are guided by the standard task rate. And we can also, if required, change over to this estimation specific rate. Then we can estimate the time required, and we can get the total cost involved in the whole operation. So overall, this is an explanation of how the estimation software can be used, and all the raw material calculated, including the process and the task involved. Later in the process, the process and the task table can be an input to a typical manufacturing work order processing. So this video is brought to you by 3Q Space. We specialize in digital transformation. Please have a look at our YouTube videos. We also conduct weekly Mensa First Tinkering Talk, where we dive deep into various aspects of digital transformation required in the fields like service, manufacturing, and trading. Thank you so much. Hope you find use in this video.